All right, it's Tuesday, February 12th, the sale after Winter Storm Nemo, the blizzard of 2013 that dumped 30 inches of snow on us. We're running our lease lanes today right out here by postcard sale. No cars are running in the auction lanes for our lease sale, but you can see we've still got a lot of dedicated customers that have come out for our sale. Our lease lanes may be postcard sales, but we did manage to get 4 lanes of dealer product ready to go and through the lanes, and you can see there is a lot of action happening today. Great to see all of these dealers out here supporting Manheim New England.